Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2, The Little Prince, Part 2. We have seen in the Part 1 that writer is a small boy when he had seen in the picture when he was at the age of 6 years old. He had seen in the book, or he read in the book, and he had seen this picture. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor means a large snake. It also known as a python. And he had seen this in creature swallowing an animal. This creature's, what is the speciality? The speciality of this creature is that it can swallow very big animal. But since it is heavier than the snake, so snake cannot move. And it sleeps till it get digested, sometimes 6 months too. It remains in one place still. And with that, once it is digested and gone, then only it opens again for the next. And it goes. So they say this animal sleeps all the time. And it is swallowed by this creature because this creature cannot bite, cannot chew. So only can swallow, and it has capacity to digest with all the fur of the animal, the skin of the animal, and the full total big animal. They say when the snake is sleeping and they have eaten swallowed animal or the human, and you know it, if you cut their stomach, you can get a live person or a live animal. So they sleep. They don't damage like that. Once they open their eye only, they open their mouth and swallow whatever nearby. So here is telling the writer that in the book said, boa constrictors swallow their prey whole without chewing it. After that, they are not able to move and they sleep through the 6 months and they need for digestion. Why do they sleep 6 months? Because they need digestion. Why they cannot move? Because they have swallowed such a big animal. Animal is bigger in their stomach. Because of that, they cannot move. So, 2 questions. Why they cannot move? Because animal is heavy in their stomach. Second, why they sleep for 6 months? They sleep for 6 months because the animal in their stomach should be digested. They cannot bite, they cannot chew. So they sleep, and in the stomach slowly animal get rotten digested. Clear to you all? Okay. I pondered. Who pondered? I means here writer. I stand for the writer. Writer says that I pondered. Pondered means very deeply thinking. Very carefully thinking. Pondered. So he says I pondered deeply. Means very carefully he thought of it. Then over the adventure of the jungle. He was thinking of the adventure of the jungle, and after some work with a color pencil, I succeeded in making my first drawing. My drawing number 1, it looked something like that. So he is telling he pondered deeply about the jungle's adventure, and then he took color pencil, he drew, colored it, and he made it a picture. Picture looked like that. See? This is what, can you say that is a snake? No. He has made the snake here, and this is the stomach of the snake. and in the stomach one elephant is there. Can you see the snake's stomach, one big elephant? And so he says that looking that snake and elephant, people will get frightened. And that is his idea, his thinking. Let us see what he is asking to the elders. I showed my masterpiece, means what he has drawn. This is the picture number 1. To grown-ups and asked them whether the drawing frightened them. He showed the picture and he asked them whether this drawing is making them frightened, whether they are frightened, fearful of this drawing. But they answered, frightened? Why should anyone be frightened of a hat? So elders, when they saw this picture, they asked, why we are going to be frightened? This look like a hat only. There is nothing to be frightened. No snake mouth, no elephant's trunk, nothing is there. So what makes us to be frightened? So he is telling, what, frightened of a hat? But they answered, my drawing was not a picture of a hat. So when he heard elders are telling that hat, so he said, no, my picture is not a hat. It was a picture of a boa constrictor digesting an elephant. So he is telling it is a picture of a boa constrictor which was digesting an elephant. But since the grown-ups were not able to understand it, I made another drawing. I drew the inside of a boa constrictor so that the grown-ups could see it clearly. So he is telling that I made in the stomach a clear-cut an elephant so that grown-up can see and understand. So it was a very clear. They always need to have things explained. So this child, the writer is saying that elders always need the things clear, cut and understand. Then only they understand. If it is clear, they understand. My drawing number 2 looked like this. See here. See now in the picture very clearly one elephant is there. This is the snake and the stomach of the snake, and elephant is there. Now elephant is clear. Picture number 2 is very clear that elephant is in the stomach. Isn't it? So picture number 1 how looks like hat, and picture number 2 also doesn't look there is a snake, but it looks that elephant is there. Inside something the elephant is there. So these 2 pictures he has shown, and further what happens we will see in the next class. Any doubt is there? Please ask me on my mobile number. Thank you, children.